Hello everyone, welcome back to Thailand, Wutt, me, Wutt, Suntorn. Yeah, so the last video I posted was last Sunday where we went out for a meal. So I've not posted anything since because I've been planning on a trip which we're doing tomorrow. So yeah, so this is something that I've been wanting to start since probably 2018, and then COVID kicked in and put pay to that for a while. So now I think it's time that we get on with this big adventure. And it's going to be a 6-month project. So I'm going to tell you about the project after the intro. See you in a minute. Yeah, hello, thank you for watching the intro. So yeah, what is this project? Okay, so back in 2018-19, I knew that I'd fed up with work and I wanted to take early retirement. But I know that, you know, obviously, that what little savings I've got won't be enough to keep me now until I'm sort of 67 at the retirement pension age. So I need to bring in an extra income just to keep me going. So I know what I'm going to do is not going to make me a millionaire, but at least it'll be comfortable and it'll help me sort of budget my money a little bit better until I'm at retirement age. However, saying that, with the UK government as it is at the moment, who knows if I'll be able to collect my state pension. So yeah, so I need to make sure that, you know, I've covered all my bases. So what are we doing down south? So yes, so 2018-19, we went down there, we looked at some land, and we're thinking of putting in a homestay business. So it's now come to fruition. We're going back down to Krabi tomorrow. We're going to take a drone and we're going to film the outside and see where we can put the accommodation. So yeah, it's all very interesting. So this could probably be about a 6-month project. I'm going to project manage and then see where we get with it. So yes, so hopefully it'd be very interesting. So it'd be an interesting topic, I think. So it'd be us starting up a business. It would be us trying to get a homestead off the ground. It'll be us meeting with surveyors. It'll be us meeting with the council and trying to find out what the legalities are and what we need to do and what hoops we need to jump through. So I thought I would take you with me on this 6-month adventure. So yeah, so I will see you in Krabi tomorrow. Bye.